I want some free candy. Free candy. Free candy. Who wants some candy? Hold up. Before I do that, I need to go park this way. And run in before everybody see my truck and then they want to get in. Wait, where's the grocery store? I need the grocery store. Where's the grocery store? We need to poison their candy. Who wants some free candy? Free candy. We got the big bars. Free candy? Nobody? Let's go get the groceries. Already got the thing in my hand. Where's the candy? Okay, reach this. They hopped in, they hopped in. Come on, bus back. Oh snap, they coming. She came. Oh, I got me a free. Nope. Free candy. Free candy. Yeah, okay, bet. Need to go take her to the spot. We're taking her to the spot. Okay. Bro, go away, bro. Go away. Crap. I need to go get my free candy back. No, I could've just got. I should've just killed her. Hold up, dumb now, guys. Dumb now. Dumb now. Crap, guys. We need to get the dumb now. Crap, guys. I think I got them now. Let me get it. Screenshot. Got the thumbnail. Got it. Got the thumbnail. Hold on, I'm gonna go get some more candy and then that will be it for today's. Crap. And guys, I'm about to go over here and let me go to the auto shop. And guys, that'll be it